In this exercise, we have to create a flower vase with flowers. Materials are glazed papers, straw, cardboard sheet and other required stuffs. To begin with, we'll draw our flower vase structure. We'll cut our vase one by one. Here my cutouts are ready and I pasted the colored papers over it so that it looks colorful. So here we'll start with our flower making. Straightening the glaze paper and roughly cutting a 6 cm wide strip, and to cut the leaves we'll put a slight cut and we'll do a very familiar cut which we have been seeing since our childhoods. This are the flowers, like our uncle used to show how the flower petals would be there. We'll stick it with the glue so that it doesn't peel out. And bit rolling with the paper so that it forms a nice shape. And slowly we'll turn out the way of, and finally my flower is ready. Similarly, I'll make more 2-3 flowers to fill the vase. So here I've completed the sticking of all 3 surfaces. To remind you, what I have done is cut a strip of paper, glued it and stick on the inner base of the vase. So here, now that our vase is ready, we'll insert our flower to make the task complete.